Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is their Fruity Cereal Bath Bomb, which looks like it has Fruit Loops embedded on top, and it smells exactly like Fruit Loops. It smelled so good. Matter of fact, so far I've loved all the bath bombs that I ordered from them. There's nothing hidden inside, and they're very reasonably priced. They're normally like less than $6, but they could go up a couple bucks depending on how intricate the bath bomb is. But they've all been very colorful and moisturizing, and I just really love them. So I bought this several months back, and they do have a fruity cereal version on their website now, but it looks a little bit different. It looks like marshmallow embeds on top instead of the Fruit Loop ones. The Fruit Loop ones on here were actually soap embeds, and the inside of the bath bomb was really colorful. I was not expecting that. I thought it was just going to stay like a yellow color. So it did some color changing. Started out yellow, kind of faded to like a green. I had to pick it up to see what it looked like, and you could see different cubes of color embedded in it. Very, very cool. And their bath bombs do sell out very quickly, and they are forever updating them and having new ones. Every time I go on there, it's all new bath bombs. So I'm really excited to see what they're going to put out for Halloween and Christmas, because those are my favorite holidays, and they're just around the corner. Here's a little soap embed. So cute. So I do have several more bath bomb demos to post, and I'm going to try to do that shortly. That way I can kind of clear up my memory card, because some of these videos you could tell are in my older tub because I moved, and yeah, just want to keep you current with the bath bombs that I have demos for. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.